everybody, Natalie Madison here with Art is in Cakes, and today we are going to create a 3D turkey nailed it style. That's right, we're doing the 3D turkey challenge here in the shop, and I even have a panic button so that our challengers have an opportunity to get a hold of me, get my attention as they are working through their designs and they come into a struggle point or they're getting frustrated. They just hit that button and I'll come running. But today we are creating 3D roasted, basted turkeys that look just like this, we hope, and hopefully our challengers won't get roasted and basted in the process. Let's get at it. I've got my little turkey template here for my turkey body. I'm going to save all these little bits because who knows how we're going to use them later. Next, we need to build up the section, which actually is the back end where the little legs come up and over. We need that portion to be higher. So I've got a little bit of cake over here, just a little eighth of a sheet. I'm going to just round this off and start shaving downward. A good decorator never lets anything go to waste. Basically right now I'm creating cake pop batter. So our little turkey legs will be turkey cake pop drumsticks. Still want to create the little foot because that's part of the gross part that I love. A little budget texturizing. One of the things I love about this texture is that it looks like it has some loose bits of skin, and that's hard to do with fondant in its dry state, but it's not hard to do with fondant in its gooey state. And this technique was originally devised by somebody who needed patch material for a wedding cake that got a hole in it, and we create our own putty. So this is basically Bondo for cakes. It's just water and a small smidge of fondant. Make 2 balls about equal size. Teardrop shape. Find the middle, bend it over, and then create that little dew claw, and then pinch. It's kind of at an angle and then up. Tuck that little piece in there again, and I think we're ready to start coloring. I'm going to use a soft brush for this. This has a little bit of orange, a little bit of yellow, a whole lot of brown, and then a tiny bit of black. Oh yeah, that texture, that ooey gooey texture is perfect. And then I'm going to create a basting glaze out of mirror glaze. It's just pectin and citric acid, a few other little things to create a tart glaze. I've got our crushed up chocolate jimmies here, just so I can add a little bit of pepper, and then our rosemary. One last thing I want to do. I'm going to take a cupcake and chop it into perfect little dice cubes and insert it as stuffing. That Nailed It challenge has been so much fun. I'm so excited. Now here's my finished piece. Let's check in on our contestants and see how they're doing.
What do you mean?
You did good.
Practice.
I need some more ice.
Now don't do that countdown yet.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up!
Okay.
Woo! You guys, you